Hello everyone, we're Sidra Mu'mi and
I'm Rahel Ali. We're both from class 9B Ishik International School.
today we're here to talk about some of consecutive numbers. To begin with, what really are consecutive numbers?
Consecutive numbers are natural numbers that come after each other and increase by one each time.
Here are some numbers. For example, 16. To some of them, we have a special equation, a formula to find them easier. But to make it easier for students, we will give you a formula, and that formula is right from 1 to 16.
1 plus 2 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 16 is equal to what? So how we find this is
Taking the reciprocal.
so we do 16 plus 15 plus 1 is equal to 1. So we in that this is x and this is x as well. And now if we do 16 plus 1 is equal to 17, and same as you 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. And here we have 2x, so it will be equal to 2x. You have to divide them by 2. So what are we going to do is we take 16 plus 1 over 2. So 16, it will equal to 16 multiplied by 17 over 2. So 2 by 16, 8. 8 times 17, so 17 by 8. 8 times 7, 56. 8 times 1, 8. 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5, 13. So it will be 136.
The point of the project is to prove students no matter how long the formula or an equation is, there's always one way around with math. And I'm going to solve that equation on here. For example, we have number 5. I'm going to make a coordinates. On coordinate plates, I'm going to make triangles. 5 triangles. I'm going to take the number 5. Now, as we all know, the area of a triangle is the base times the height of it over 2. Why is that? Because a square is base times height. The triangle is half of the square, which means the base times height over 2. Now, as like I said, we have 5 base and 5 base and 5 height, which means 5 times 5 over 2. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 over 2. Now, we have other triangles here. We have 5 more triangles here. To also find them, we will do 5 times 1 times 1 over 2.
1 times
1 over 2. Which will give us 30 over 2.
which is equal to 30.
To prove you that equation is actually correct, I'll count the squares with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. As you saw, I also got 15, which means it's always easier. Math is not about
Always hard.
and it's not about memorizing, it's about understanding. Thank you.